I'm Radha Krishna. I am taking care Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region for all ACE MICROMATIC groups. Our ACE MICROMATIC group is existing in India from last 50 years. Our journey started from small garage. Now we are at 200 lakh square meters infrastructure. ACE MICROMATIC group have 8 companies, and we MICROMATIC machine tools will support with all sales and after sales service. ACE MICROMATIC Group's ACE Designers is the company which we manufacture all turning machines, and ACE Manufacturing System is a company which manufactures all milling machines. Thank you very much for the opportunity given by HIMTEX to us also to participate in this, and we found lot of customers from defense, aerospace, general engineering, mining industries and power sector also visited our stalls. And we have seen, compared to last HIMTEX, we have seen many other participants also there, and this is very colorful. The branding is also very good. Coming to HIMTEX, we hope this will give an opportunity for improving our growth for the coming years, and we are expecting, we received good inquiries, and we are expecting these inquiries as coming are converted into order.